Guys, so here we have it. It's a 6.0 out of an Escalade. It's an 03 Escalade with the ECM and the whole motor harness. Only thing I got to replace on it, because it got broke while getting taken out, was the oil pressure sensor. But yeah, the motor had 162,000 miles, so I'm going to go ahead and replace the head gaskets, valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket. And then whenever I go out to get the bolts for the transmission housing, for the belt housing pretty much, so I can put it on the motor stand. I forgot that I was going to go pick up a motor today. So right now I'm just going to set it down on that tire over there and just have it there for, I don't know, tomorrow I'll probably go over it and then I'll pick it back up and yeah, put it on the motor stand, and then we can get to tearing it down, cleaning it. We're probably going to paint it orange or something, but it has a crack on the AC compressor bracket. So, but I think that's, we could use the one out of the V6. So whenever the time comes, we're going to take that out. But motor looks pretty good. Doesn't look too oily, you know. Doesn't look like it's been leaking from anywhere. Just your normal V8. So, yeah, guys. It was a little video that I decided to throw in together just because. The Escalade had subs, because I got a little fuse right here. Here, so you could save it for something. It's burnt? It's good. Here. But yeah, guys. Alright, guys. Oh shit. It's Eric, and we're back again with another video. Today we are going to do some returns at Harbor Freight because I bought some tools and it's Black Friday, so they got some deals. So what's Harbor Freight if you're not getting any deals, you know? But yeah, we're gonna go over there right now. I brought a torque wrench from them, and before anyone says anything, Harbor Freight, well, from what I've heard, their torque wrenches are pretty good. You know, they last for a year or whatever, before, you know how you're supposed to like get them calibrated every year, and the calibration is like what, $200-300. So I'm just gonna buy one every year when I need one. But if not, you know, that'll do the job. And then I have my cousin's Manny's at the shop with the snap-on one. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna do these little returns. My girl and me, we're gonna go to Kohl's and Petco to pick up some stuff that she bought, and then we'll get back to the motor. I don't think I am gonna upload that video. It was just us picking up the motor. It was dark, it was cold, and we didn't have time to record or anything. But essentially what we did, we just pulled it apart. My cousin Manny took it to wash at his job because he works at Ford, so they have that hot water pressure washer, whatever thingy. He did a pretty good job on it. He washed the block. We took everything apart, and we found out that the motor's cam, since it's an LQ9 cam, yeah, the material is lost on cylinder 1. I think it's the exhaust. The rod is shot, the rocker shot, and the, damn it, hold on, and the what's it called, and the lifter's also shot, so I'm gonna have to replace those. But we're not gonna get in right now. Pretty much today, all we're gonna do is put the crank in. We're gonna reuse the crank bearings, and the cam bearings all look good. They don't look worn. They're good. So we're gonna do the bottom end. We're just gonna put the crank, torque it all to spec. We're gonna use the stock bolts because you can use them 2 or 3 times before they get extended. At least those. I know the head ones you gotta replace every time. So we're gonna just do the bottom end to get that done, because I have a mess in the garage right now. So what else am I gonna do? Yeah, so pretty much that. And then I need to get some more money so I can buy all the gaskets, because I'm gonna replace everything. And then the oil pump, I'm gonna do the mod. I have it sitting in my parts washer, so I'm gonna clean it up either today or tomorrow, and then I'll make a separate video, because I want to show you guys how to do the pressure, the oil pump mod, where you make more pressure off of it, you know, that way you guys don't have to go get a milling pump and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's gonna be I haven't put a lot of videos out, but Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can use it further, like at one point in your life or something. But yeah, guys. Alright, guys, so we're back. It's a little late, but we went to Kohl's, we went to PetSmart or some other store, and we got some stuff. But here I'm gonna show you guys what my cousin Manny washed. Alright, so there's Manny. He works at Ford and Elgin, right now, St. Charles, right? Dundee, in Illinois. So here's the harness. All of this stuff we took off the motor, you know, coil packs, all that stuff. That don't matter. I'm probably gonna wash it just by a hose or something. Anywho, so valve covers are here. He washed these. He washed the heads. They're all not greasy. Don't mind the pink stuff on there. In here, since we didn't have stuff to carry stuff in, you know, we just, oh shit, never mind. There's nothing in there anymore. But motor's over here. He washed it off. You know, it's clean. We could eat off of it, but I gave it a little hone, and yeah, it has oil in the cylinder, so it's not gonna rust. The lifters, or where are the lifters? Now here are the lifters. One of them is, or a lot. Well, it's actually 2 or 3 of them are bad. So I'm gonna replace the 2 or 3 that are bad. I got one rocker that's bad, that's in a bag over there, but I'm still in my going up close, so I'm not gonna work on it just yet. Yeah, guys, we're gonna put it all back together. The pistons and stuff, there's a crank over there. I know it's supposed to be standing up, but yeah, it's there. Pistons and stuff are over there, so we're gonna put those, slap those all in here, torque it all down, make it move. I got my assembly grease over here. Yeah, we made a mess when we were taking it apart. It was, I don't know. The valley cover, many still has to wash this stuff right here. This valley cover stuff. But assembly grease, my bearings. Yeah, so we're gonna put all this stuff together because it's a mess. We sold, since we did the Escalade seats, we had some parts here laying around, so we had the old seats. Alvin took care of those. He had a grill, the stock grill. We sold those. So pretty much we don't have much junk in there. Just reorganizing. We bought a fridge. My dad bought a fridge, and he lost some stuff, so we can't put those doors on anymore. But yeah, guys, oil pan, check it out. It's still a little dirty, but nothing big. You know, we'll wash it off again, just rinse it out. Oscar's chilling on the lawnmower. But yeah, guys, let me go change. Some of the other guys are still gonna come, and yeah, we're probably gonna have a little adult drinks. Do you have anything to say to the camera, Manny? No. Wait, mira. Alright, guys, so here we have the block. Everything is washed out. It's all good. We're gonna put the main bearings in for the crank, then put the crank in, then put the caps, torque them all down, angle torque, everything, and then we're gonna put assembly grease. Well, before that, and then I'll show you guys that when I'm done. I'll see if someone can record for me real quick and do like a time lapse or something. But yeah, guys, here we go. Nah, that'll be fine. Alright, guys, so right here we got engine assembly loop, and then we're just gonna go. Right. Don't be scared. No. They are your bearings. Just put a little bit in there. Not a little bit, and then just make sure there's a coating on there. And bam, there you go. Now you're ready to drop a crank in. I'll show you guys after. I was gonna do a time lapse, but I decided not to, so I'm just gonna show you step by step. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, well, we put the crank. We torqued everything down to spec. We angle torqued everything. Everything should be good. It's good. It turns over pretty good. You guys have it. So now we're gonna put the pistons in there, and yeah, guys, here, let me put them in, and I'll show you guys the finished product, at least at the bottom end. And then the top end, whenever I have all the gaskets, I'll start putting everything back in and making it a motor, like a real, like almost running motor. Like I said, we need a knock sensor because the guy broke it. Not a knock sensor, what was it? Oil pressure sensor, my bad. The knock sensor over there. So we got most of the sensors, and then Ray broke one. Which one did you break, Ray?
I don't know.
There's a coolant temp sensor on the head, so we're gonna replace that. There's a coolant temp sensor, and then after that, it's gonna sit here forever. Just kidding. Here, guys, let me get it done and knocked out, and yeah, guys. All right, guys. So we got the motor fully assembled. We're painting it. It's the Chevy orange. Maybe just wanted a touch of color on her. It doesn't have to be the most perfect thing in the world because it's gonna come out eventually again. So I'll just redo it again, but everything is smooth on it. It all works, but oh shit. Yeah, this I'm gonna redo. I'm gonna put some rags in there and then I'm gonna sand it. The surface, well, not a lot, but just a light sanding, and I'll take the paint off or use acetone or something. But yeah, guys, there's the bottom end completely assembled. Now I just gotta wait until I get my gaskets and stuff, and it'll be done. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching another video. I hope you guys learned something. But yeah, guys, comment, subscribe, like, share the video. Yeah, peace out, guys.